Over the years, I've learned a lot about happiness and gratefulness, and I think, during this period of my life, that's been a really important part. And I think about this famous quote, "Work is love made visible." And I think that is kind of a model that I take, with myself every day as I go to work and think about things. I was in business school. I got in the Foster Business School, and that's pretty hard to get in. And I was in accounting class and I was putting all these numbers together, and I realized, oh my God, I can't do this for the rest of my life. Where's the humanity or the feeling of numbers and like spreadsheets? And in accounting class, I'd literally quit that day. I didn't even finish that course. I quit everything. I decided, I want to be a doctor. I love the head and neck anatomy. When I was in medical school, decided to go to head and neck surgery. I thought I wanted to do cancer surgery. I thought it was a little too intense and sad, that I wanted to do something that I could make people happy. And I naturally just thought that facial plastics and reconstructive surgery would be, the route that I wanted to go. When I was in Los Angeles, I saw, results that could have been better. And I didn't understand why. I would ask my professors and colleagues why that is. Do we know what the answer is and what to achieve, like a blueprint for, some of our results? And I found that they didn't have that. That led me to create a theory on beauty. And I found that, I have a huge passion for understanding beauty, how it impacts our lives, and how I can use this for facial plastic surgery. I do think that as doctors, we have to always make things better for people. And so that's been a common thing for me. And it's been, exemplified in the things I've done. My goal is I want patients to have an experience where they're enjoying their lives and it's improving their lives for a long time. And I want them to look back 10 to 20 years later to say oh my gosh, that's the best thing I've ever done. So if you come to me, we're going to work together and we're going to make sure to take care of you and you have that same experience.